table, bring the beer. 4-player or 6, we don't care. It's tack time, pull up a chair. Oh, we're feeling bold with our cards to fold. We take our chances, watch the story unfold. We play tag all night, feel the thrill, strategy and luck. We've got the skill. 4 or 6, it's our favorite game. Round the board we go, no two turns the same, the same. Laughter echoes, moves get sly. Someone's winning, oh my, oh my. With every turn the tension's high. In this game of tack, we're ready to fly. Oh, we're feeling bold with our cards to fold. We take our chances, watch the story unfold. We play tack all night, feel the thrill, strategy and luck. We've got the skill. 4 or 6, it's our favorite game. Round the board we go, no two turns the same, the same. Every player's got their game face on. Win or lose, we'll play till dawn. Friendships tested, bonds are strong. In the end, it's where we all belong. We play tack all night, feel the thrill, strategy and luck. We've got the skill. 4 or 6, it's our favorite game. Round the board we go, no two turns the same. So here's to tack and nights like these. With friends and laughter, we're all at ease.